learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine Lim Zepsiu, and sometimes you need a little help from someone, and that's why this whole month we're teaching you how to say, "Could you help me with something?" And the answer is yes or no. 拜托帮我一下。
拜托老爱天数一下。
拜托老爱天数一下。And so usually we would help people. 其实大部分的时间答案是好啊，怎么了？
好啊，用板。
好啊，用板。Okay, that means yeah, sure. What's up? Okay, 有点那种怎么了 What's up? All right. Let's say you just want someone to buy a drink for you. Okay, 像说我现在正在忙着在打电动，然后 Alice 啊，帮我去买一下饮料好吗？
好过分
可以吗？
可以啦，可以。
All right. Whether maybe you're in the middle of a online game or whatever you're doing, you want someone to help you to buy a drink or something. 帮我去买饮料。
老爱天数去买饮料。
老爱天数去买饮料。是饮料就是饮料。
饮料。
Okay, 饮料 that means a beverage, a drink. Okay, 更夸张是肚子饿了。
你该不会要叫我订便当？
对，买披萨、订便当都可以。
什么都来啦。
Maybe you're not just thirsty, you're hungry, and you're still in the middle of an online game. 还是一样在打电动。好，打电话去订便当，因为这个时候连打电话都很难啊。All right. Could you please call and order some lunch boxes?
大天发听偏懂。
大天发 Okay, that means please call. 天发 means a telephone actually.
听偏懂。
听偏懂，听就是订嘛，偏懂 that means a lunchbox.
或者可以讲听翻饱。
听翻饱，那听了就饱。
对。
饭包啦。
对啦。
Okay, another way of saying a lunchbox is 翻饱。
那海陆腔翻饱我们讲成盆饱。
盆饱 Okay, that's a different dialect again for a lunchbox. 好，太好了，这个便当有这么多种说法，今天学好多哦。Let's review all these vocabulary. 饮料。饮料 that's a beverage or a 便当 lunchbox. 偏懂
翻饱
or 翻饱 Okay, those are two ways of saying a lunchbox. And it's all about asking people for help. 拜托帮我一下。
拜托老爱天数一下。
拜托老爱天数一下。And yes, what's up? 好啊，怎么了？
好啊，用板。
好啊，用板。And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.